I've used several different battery operated hair clipper sets, and let me tell you why I think this is the best I've used. For one, you just get a lot. You get your hair clippers, you get your beard and mustache trimmer, you also got the ear and nose. All of the accessories come in a case so you can keep everything together, and the quality of these clippers I'm really impressed with. It has nice high quality blades and it cuts really well. The hair clippers will run for up to 3 hours, the detail clippers will run for an hour, and the ear and nose trimmer will run for a couple hours. So if you're doing just a single haircut, this will work perfectly. I've got a lot of young boys, so we always gather them together and cut their hair at the same time, and I really hope it doesn't take more than 3 hours to do all their hair. This should be plenty of time. So let me real quick kind of show you how it works. Let me put on the hair catcher. So if I wanted to trim up my sideburns, kind of hard to do a straight cut while looking into a camera and a monitor, but I think you get the idea. That's not bad. I just went to the bathroom so I could do both. I just went to the bathroom so I could do the other side. I gotta say, I am really impressed with this clipper set. Here's everything you get with this clipper set. Comes in this nice case with neon green. You're not gonna miss this. So here you have your ear and nose trimmer. Charges it via USB-C. And it turns on with this little knob here. And it tells you what the battery level is. That's actually really slick. Your beard and mustache trimmer. It's kind of a nice design. This metal is very smooth and you can see up close how close the blade is to the end. So you're gonna get a really, really fine trim there. Let's turn it on. This isn't quite as bright as the other trimmer, but it also shows the battery level. This is going to be nice. I already really like this. And then here is your hair trimmer. Now, one thing I want to point out that you cannot see is this is actually a little bit hefty. I've used battery operated clippers before and they're usually lighter weight than this. This feels like real clippers. It feels kind of hefty. I really appreciate that. So it is a plastic knob for adjusting the length of the blade. Let's have a close-up look here. So you can see you've got, okay, that's interesting. So this actually clicks into place, so it's not one fluid motion. I'm used to the Waln clippers, that's more fluid. But you can see as this moves up, and this also gets very, very close to the edge of the metal here. So you can get really fine trimming. So for the back of your neck, this is going to be really nice to get this just finely done. Let's turn this on. Well, that's cool. So it says the RPM, it also says what the percentage is. So we're at 81%. Okay, so it looks like there's two speeds, 6500 and 7000. So you can preserve power if you want to do the lower speed, or you can go to 7000 RPM. Let's try this out. Get some more of my hand hair, because, you know, who needs that? And wow, yeah, this is just flying up. This is going to be great. Comes with this hair bib. All of the attachment have sizes in millimeters. So this is 19 millimeters, which I believe is the largest one. Yes, it is. So let's go ahead and attach it. Now, I do wish that it included some larger attachments. I like some fairly large attachments when I cut my hair because I use clippers for all of my hair. But these are more of your fine attachments. So especially on the side of your head, these are all going to be really perfect for that. The smallest attachment is 1.5 millimeters. There are no tapered ear attachments, which I don't use anyway, so that doesn't bother me too much. It comes with two USB-C charging cables, and it also comes with attachments for the beard and mustache trimmer. So if you have a beard or goatee or sideburns, you can use this to do a trim. The biggest is 6 millimeters, just clips right on there, but you also get a cleaning brush and a comb, and you have a razor head for the ear and nose trimmer. I guess you probably would not stick this up your nose, I would hope, but you would use this on your ears after you do the basic trimming. And this is definitely working on my hand, so I'm going to have the smoothest hands I've had probably ever. This also comes with a couple pairs of scissors. You have the brush scissors here for the longer hair, and then your normal scissors Now, again, something you can't really see in the video is just how smooth this feels. And I've got to say, like, it feels smooth, but usually with scissors, you can have that kind of like, you can feel the resistance because of how close the blades are together. With these scissors, I don't really feel that so much. Well, it definitely cuts without any issue at all. So despite it not feeling what I would expect, cuts rather well, actually. This clipper set was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. I've been cutting my own hair since I was about 13 years old, so I've used a lot of different clippers. These are some of the best I've seen. I'm really happy with this clipper set. I like that it all comes in a case. The design for the clippers I think is very nice. The biggest shortcomings for me that I see with this clipper set, for one, the attachments are not as large as I would want them to be. I like some of the larger attachments, especially when I just go over the top of my hair. I like having those bigger attachments. And the other thing, which is kind of nitpicky, is that it doesn't come with any oil, which I kind of get because I've had things come with oil before and sometimes the oil will leak or it will mess things up. But it's just something for you to be aware of. Now, I already have oil, so I don't need to worry about that. You do want to oil for sure the clippers before you use them for the first time. So if you're planning on buying this set, go ahead and look for oil as well if you don't already have it, because you'll need that when you use it with these clippers. I highly recommend you check this set out. I'm very impressed with it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.